and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be playing with some hair color. I've had bleach blonde hair and different variations of blonde for almost like 8 years now, and I want to change. I want to do something different. And I thought, what better way to do that than to dye my hair? And I'm gonna dye it. Wait for it. Purple. I am so excited. I haven't had purple hair before. The last time that I actually colored my hair colorful was in middle school, and I did a really weird combination with my best friend. I colored the front half of my hair, I think it was red. No, it was teal from the front. The back half was red. Don't ask me what I was doing. I was in a very weird gothic phase. I also wore those Hot Topic little corset looking things. Oh god. Oh, someone should have stopped me. So yeah, I'm ready for a change. And I hit up my local Sally's Beauty and got some Arctic Fox hair color. Now, I went with these because they are supposed to be less damaging, I guess, than the other ones. My hairstylist was telling me that Manic Panic is actually really damaging when you have bleach blonde hair. She says she will not bleach over that color because it really damages the hair, and then trying to put bleach on top of it, she won't do it until you like chop it. Basically, that's at least what my hairstylist told me, so I was like, okay, I'm not gonna go with Manic Panic just in case I don't like it. I have a safety net, and these are supposed to wash out within, I think it's 6 weeks, and then you can re-dye it, you know, make it stronger, more vibrant. And these also have no peroxide, ammonia, no ethyl alcohol, no PPD, and it has added conditioners, it's vegan, it's not tested on animals, and I'm all about it. So let's do some fun hair color today. Now my hair looks a little bit more silvery. It was blonder to start with yesterday. I actually had a failed attempt at this. So I bought a tiny bottle of the Girls Night hair color in this size, and it was not enough. So I started using a regular conditioner to help dilute it. And it does say on their website if you do use a conditioner, and some can inhibit the pigmentation of the coloring to penetrate your hair, so the color won't really stick. And that's exactly what happened. I used conditioner and it did nothing. I have like a purple hue in the light if you look at it just right, but other than that it didn't stick, so I was just like, dang it. Because they sell a diluter, but they didn't have it at Sally's Beauty where I bought it, and I was very impulsive. I was like, I want to dye my hair right now. This is attempt 2. But let's just go ahead and get started coloring the hair. These supplies you are gonna need is just a little mixing bowl and one of these, what is this? One of these application tools, I forget what these are called. And then you're gonna of course need your color. I have 2 different ones. I picked up one 8-ounce bottle of the Girls Night and a 4-ounce bottle of Purple Rain. I'm gonna mix these 2 together. And what is so fascinating to me is that this color, Girls Night, smells like grape. It's so fun. So just my recommendation in case you are gonna be dyeing your hair and you have very long hair like myself, you are gonna wanna pick up the larger size bottle. They do have just these 2 sizes, and go with the larger if you are doing a full head of hair like myself. So I'm gonna start out with the Girls Night, and I'm gonna do this the largest part. Just gonna squeeze that all the way in. I poured about this much in the bottle, which kind of feels like half the bottle right now. And then to add to the mixture, I'm gonna put like 2, thinking 3 drops of the Purple Rain. And then I'm gonna take my little application tool. I'm gonna start stirring this together. And I do want to say I have no hair experience. I'm not a professional. If you want the best results, go to your hairstylist. I am an amateur just wanting to play with some hair color. But what I saw from Arctic Fox's website and their Instagram is that if you want to check the color, you just do a little paper towel swatch. You can kind of see the color that you would get in your hair. And you know what? I think that's a little bit too purple. I'm gonna add a little bit more of Girls Night and kind of dilute it. So I added on a little squirt more, stirring that together. And then here is what the color looks like. That looks purple, but I'm ready. Let's do this, guys. Then you just gotta slap on some gloves because you don't want to stain your hands or your cute nails. For the best application, they say before you start the dyeing process to wash your hair with only shampoo, no conditioners, dry it, and then start applying the hair dye, which is what I did right before sitting down. Washed it with just shampoo, dried it, the whole shebang. And then you also want to work in smaller sections. I'm gonna try to angle it so you guys can see, but I'm just gonna begin applying this. And you wanna start from the bottom of your hair, working your way to the top. And this may take a minute, so I'm gonna probably speed through it, put some music.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
And the hair is fully coated. You want to make sure everything is saturated. So I still have a ton of Purple Rain. I only used a couple drops just to darken it up a little bit, and I just have a little squirt of Girls Night left. So if I decide I want to keep this hair color and I want to re-dye it in like 4 to 6 weeks, I just need to buy another big bottle of this one and then use my Purple Rain once more, so that's good. Now it's just to wait 40 minutes, and then I am gonna rinse this out in cold water till the water runs clear. I am gonna pop back on here, I'm gonna blow dry it, I'm gonna style it, and then we're gonna see the final result at the end. Fingers crossed this works. I don't want to have another failed attempt or I'm just gonna give up. So I will see you guys in 40 minutes. So I just rinsed out my hair in cold water, shampooed it, conditioned. I waited about 45 minutes. My timer went off and then I gave it a couple minutes. And I'm really excited because you can see the purple in the hair. It definitely took this time around, so I'm excited. I'm gonna really quickly blow dry my hair, but I am also gonna use a little bit of this to help bring a little bit more conditioning back into the hair, make it feel softer. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Mask. This stuff is amazing. I can't get enough of this stuff. I find that it leaves your hair feeling so soft, so just hydrated afterwards. It smells incredible. I absolutely love it. So after dyeing your hair, if it needs a little bit extra loving, that stuff I highly recommend.
I know what what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Oh my god, I freaking love it! My hair looks so freaking cool. This is exactly how I wanted my hair to turn out. Oh, I am so unbelievably happy right now. I'm so happy. I learned my lesson, do not dilute it with conditioner, just use it straight out the tube because that is going to give you the best results. Now this is a semi-permanent hair dye, so this will wash out, and I'm probably, you know, it may change in 4 to 6 weeks from now, but I'm probably gonna re-dye it as purple and try to keep this color for as long as I can. But I do have a couple other colors that I do want to dye my hair eventually, so if you guys want to see my hair transformations continue whenever I decide to dye it to another crazy fun color, I would be happy to upload that in case you guys want to see it. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this hair transformation video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!